Look at good morning guys. Look at this beautiful sunrise. Oh. Masinaw na masinaw here. It's so wonderful. Amayan view ko nga ditli haamon. Oh. It's a blessed and fruitful morning to everyone. It's a new beginning of the week. So, kalmado ang dagat. As you can see. Makikita mo ang dagat. Amazing.